Lottie Squires, and I work at South Georgia Pediatric and Allergy Center. I am the nurse manager there, and I'm over all the nurses, and I work directly with Dr. Alan Alvarado with patients and with Azalea. We have used Azalea billing for maybe 1.5 to 2 years, and we just started the EHR this May. I thought that it would be harder for them, but Dr. Alvarado picked up on it immediately and was very easy, and he took to it very well, and all the other providers. With Azalea, we have a phone call away, we have technical support. That's very great because we did not have that with our previous EHR, which made it very difficult. Azalea has been a very easy transition. Our patients, I think they get better care because it's easier to flow for the flow. It's made our flow easier. It's made the nurses like it better. The providers like it better. And I thought it was going to be, like I said, a hard change, but it's been so easy. With Azalea, everybody's eager to help. Even if I don't get Julie Lincoln, and that's who helps us all the time. It doesn't matter if I get anybody, they're always helpful. And you can tell that Azalea really cares about us as their clients and our patients, so that means a lot.